Hey guys, you're here with your girl KIYAH WRIGHT, and I want to share with you Pattern's new interchangeable 3-piece curling iron set. It's absolutely amazing. What I'm super excited about is that it comes in different sizes for all types of curls, dry curls and even wet curls. This is the 1 inch, this is the 3/4. So right now I'm actually loving the 3/8. I love the fact that this iron is so small. It really just follows the natural pattern of her own hair. I've never seen a 3-piece interchangeable iron with a 3/8. So already Pattern, you won on that one. With Kobe's curls, they are beautiful natural curls. She had a little bit of color on her ends. If you guys can see, the ends are lighter and the roots are darker. So what happens typically there is that the ends lose a lot of curl, of its natural curl. So what I like to do is go in with this 3/8 inch iron and just wand over, starting at that root so you can get that natural wave at the root. And I just wrap it around the entire barrel from the root all the way to the ends. I hold it for a second. If you can see, it's stinging just a little bit. And I just pull out those curls and they just bounce in nice and natural. I like to get really close to that root. I leave the ends out just to grab that natural curl. And I like to just sort of glide it out, controlling it by holding it in my hand and just stretching it just a bit so it's not too tight. Keep it feeling nice and natural. I like to stretch it a bit too, just so it gives it a little bit more of a natural wave versus too tight. Okay, so the more you stretch, the looser the wave. And look at that, you lay it right down and it falls right into her natural curl. That's the goal. I want to give her roots a little bit more definition. So this iron is absolutely perfect. And as a stylist, one of the things I appreciate is how quickly this iron heats up. 30 seconds max. She was hot, okay? And I love the fact that this iron can go with 4C hair, 3C hair, tighter coils to looser coils. This iron works perfect. Typically to pick up pieces that just have a little bit of extra frizz, or pieces that won't curl, they're a little bit more stubborn from color. You just want some iron that can get right in there, right at that root. Again, stretch it and it gives it a natural sort of curl feel. That's the goal. So it just really follows her natural pattern so much. I've curled all of the top and you can barely tell the difference. It just gives it a fluffier curl when you hit it with the iron.